This is Brendan Williams, pediatric orthopedic surgeon at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, and today I'll be demonstrating my 1-minute screening examination of the knee for surgically relevant pathology. I begin with an evaluation of the straight leg raise, assessing the integrity of the quadriceps, the patella, the patellar tendon, and the tibial tubercle. I then evaluate range of motion of both limbs, looking for symmetry, inflection, and extension. Next, I evaluate the anterior cruciate ligament using the Lockman maneuver. ACL tears are one of the most common knee injuries in young athletes requiring surgery. With the knee in approximately 30 degrees of flexion, I move on to evaluate the medial and lateral collateral ligaments by performing varus and valgus stress exams of the knee. The knee is then bent to 90 degrees of flexion, and an anterior and posterior drawer is performed to assess the integrity of the anterior and posterior cruciate ligaments. I then evaluate for localized tenderness, examining the medial and lateral joint lines, the chondral surfaces, as well as the bony insertions of the ligaments and tendons around the knee. Patellar ballottement is assessed to evaluate for knee effusion. Finally, patellar mobility is examined, looking for excessive laxity or pain with medial and lateral translation of the kneecap. Thank you. I hope this video helps you with your knee examination, evaluating the young athlete or other patients presenting with acute knee complaints. You may also find it useful in identifying patients requiring further workup, advanced imaging, or orthopedic referral. Have a great day.